Rolling with the Zorce Man. So, as you can see, we are stuck in some traffic. We're on our way though to the Toyota showroom in San Fernando because they have a new Yaris. For those who appreciate the ease on the wallet, the Yaris is a logical choice. We were invited to check out all the new improvements and also to take a drive.
Hi, good morning and welcome to Toyota Trinidad and Tobago Limited and our 2018 Yaris launch and journalist test drive event.
Last government budget changed the paradigm was stated. Fuel subsidy has been removed, and in our automotive sector, motor vehicle tax and customs duty has been increased by 25% for the passenger car with the engine capacity above 1.6 below 2 liter. With the pressure of the foreign exchange reserve, message to our industry was very clear, shifting to smaller and more fuel-efficient vehicles. Yaris was first launched in 2000 in Trinidad and Tobago as an entry model, and for more than 17 years, Yaris has been supported by our Toyota customers.
The Yaris sedan has an attractive exterior design, fantastic interior room, and tremendous added value in both performance and safety. The Yaris sedan comes with an economical dual VVTi engine, front disc brakes, and continuously variable transmission CVT. You can also use Super. The 2018 Yaris comes with Vehicle Stability Control or VSC. VSC is a system that helps prevent side skids and helps stabilize the vehicle while turning and cornering.
Doing the test drive, boy. You have rally drivers in the car, you have Zorce, you have Alien, you can accommodate 6-footers in the back.
Yes. 3.
I ain't feel any potholes as your dummy suspension working around good, boy.
Wow. With
CVT transmission, 5-forward transmission.
5 speed.
So the horsepower was increased to about close to 99 horses now.
Well, I love it. I ain't getting any kind of lag at all, boy. And what is that? It's changing direction and stuff. Going up here because it's going around the corners and then there's real good control.
big dip here.
Yeah.
We didn't feel it.
We didn't feel it. Go straight.
We didn't get a chance to film it, but we did get a chance to drive it. And the new Yaris has a lot going for it. It's roomy inside, the controls are more modern, yet simple, typical Toyota. And out on the highway, stability was excellent during cornering. The responsiveness is also great from pulling off, going uphill as we did to San Fernando Hill, where we had the driver and 3 passengers, including Toyota Trinidad and Tobago's new Japanese president, Shigeru Ito.
Introduction of 2018 Yaris is just a start, and we are prepared to launch more exciting models soon. So please do look forward for another new Toyota to be launched. Thank you very much.
Ride quality was good, cornering was good, braking was good. Our evasive tests and ABS tests also checked out fine. Check out the full story on Zorce.com and of course in the printed copy of Zorce Magazine.
Zorce.